Yeah, I'm not getting good connection somewhere. There we go. She's spinning. Alright guys, welcome back to the train wreck. So what we're going to do today is start wiring up the 6.0. Let's see if we can get a start, or at least get it spin over. I don't have a fuel system yet, but who needs a fuel system? But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Tell you what, a 2019 Dash is it's heavy when it's got a 6.0 Powerstroke engine harness and dash harness in it. Whew! That was tiring. This thing's got to weigh 75 pounds, maybe more. I mean, it is heavy. This won't stay like that. Eventually it's going to go all digital. But just trying to get it running. That is the big thing right now. Is just getting it running. Yeah. Yeah. So it is getting late. It's about 10 o'clock. But I think I got somewhere tonight, and I just want to show you guys where I'm at. So none of the actual motor is hooked up. You see I got all my plugs for my FICM and my ECU all disconnected. Just because I don't want the motor to actually run yet. Just because, you know, it's not... I don't have a transmission. I don't want anything to, you know, be spinning. But I do have it hooked to the battery. And this plug right here ties right to the starter. You can see right there on the wire, it says starter plug. So let's go ahead and see if it will spin over. So that's the starter right there. But going to put that right there. This is going to tap onto that. Let's see. Getting clicks. Make sure all my grounds are good. Don't use this as a ground, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very bad way of doing grounds, but see, yeah, I'm not getting good connection somewhere. There we go. She's spinning. But it's not going to engage because I don't have the starter fully in. As you can see, it's kind of hard to see. Kind of see right there. It needs to be bolted in just a little bit more. But we're getting somewhere. I got to order the, what's it called? I have to order the switch panel for the Mustang to go right in the middle for my push to start, my accessories, and everything else. That should be coming in the next few days. So I'll wire that all in, figure out how all this works, ohm it out, and figure out which was my key, which one's my accessory, and that kind of thing, wire everything up. I still have a lot more parts to order, a lot more parts coming in. Then hopefully in the next 2 weeks, it will be going to the roll cage shop. So once that happens, I won't really have any footage, but I do have a few ideas in the pipeline, so let's hope that those come to fruition. So yeah, the dash is in, and just got this bad boy in too. That's gonna go right there with quick release. Nice and suede and nice and nice. But yeah, all the fun stuff of the wiring. You can see that I'm still missing a transmission. I do have this one out here, the 5R110, but it's automatic, and for a drift car, you're gonna want it to be a manual so you can use your hydro e-brake. So, gotta have that shipped in. I'm still a few weeks out on that, but hopefully it gets here soon and we can start putting everything back together. I'm still a long ways away from being finished, guys. This is not a short trip. Nobody's ever done this before, so it's not like I can just look it up and copy another YouTube video. So, until next time, guys, I will see you later. So, I figured I'd end this video on an exciting note. I just got something in the mail.